multidisciplinary artists and mathematicians such as Fibonacci and, later, Leonardo da Vinci and Luca Pacioli have looked to rationality to explain nature, and for artists is the pursuit of knowledge inherent for emulating nature. These pioneers had looked back to the students of Pythagorean, who worked with the Platonic solids in a very philosophical way that connected the sensible patterns possible in mathematics to the metaphysical structures of the universe. Originating in Greece 500 BC, mathematician and sculptor Phidias studied the principle of phi and applied it to the design of sculptures for the Parthenon. Euclid proved that the diagonals of the regular pentagon cut each other in extreme and mean ratio, now more commonly known as the golden ratio.
Leonardo Fibonacci's numerical exemplification of the natural spiral pattern inherent to previously unbeknownst properties of physics set fundamental precision to the study of the relations between a part and its whole. Proportions that explain the relationships between x, y, and other variables. Years later, Luca Pacioli constructs a book explaining phi called De Divina Proportione with the help of Leonardo da Vinci's illustrations. The 1509 publication explores the mathematics of the divine proportion golden ratio and its relation to the heavenly spheres.
This is important because through these discoveries, processes of growth that occur through both time and space can be explained, such as the behavior of isotopes and visible fractal growth phenomena in such a cliché example as a Nautilus shell. Nature, mathematics and especially technology function mechanically based on the prefix pattern of growth and eventuality. By comparing sine and cosine waves, I noticed that they are just as similar as they are different, and cosine was just shifted negatively 1/2 pi along the x-axis. 1/2 pi divides down to 1.571, phi is officially 1.618. I refer to this distance as a shift in time.
When I chart these waves out accounting for the shift as their tangible connection, it reminds me of DNA. This is relevant because DNA, which was a complete mystery until recent times and remains a marvel of biology, is the microscopic genetic code for our function of life and appearance. It is the minimum amount of space and simplest form of representation to embody all of the information necessary to form a repeatable pattern.
My hypothesis is to say that if our bodies can make enough connections in the space between the backbones and the double helix structure of DNA to construct all of our functions with which to exist, then it is the minimum amount of space necessary to form a repeatable pattern for ourselves. Therefore, the space between the sine and cosine wave and the difference in the shift of time is the natural square unit of growth, also known as space-time.
The pursuit of knowledge and understanding our place in nature and the universe is eternal but not hopeless. Great minds of the past have laid the foundation to incorporate this pattern of success into your life and work, and to aid us to understand the phenomena that is the world we live in.